The Dow sells off 80 points. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, March 23rd, 2016. And the markets go into bearish territory with small caps dropping more than 2%. Banks off by 1%. US dollar up 0.37% and a huge drop on crude oil production increasing. Crude oil down 4%. Gold off by more than 2% and silver off by 4% plus. VIX higher by nearly 5%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spider. Big run up, and we base. The last three trading sessions have given us lower lows. Today we're in bearish territory, but above the mark that I'm watching for. Now this is the first close below the EMA, still above an area of support that I'm watching. And if we go any lower than this, I don't want to be long anymore. And depending on how we break this, I will be looking to go short, at least short term. And if I look over here to the weekly chart, remember you can make this full screen, click high definition down here, and that will help you guys out on visualizing this in great clarity. The weekly chart, we have a tweezer top. Gang, that could get bearish and quickly. We have a big area of support coming across right here. You can see this. And if we break that and we start to break down, we have a big trend line that we're looking at to the downside. And if we break that, I will definitely want to be looking to go short. If you look here at the monthly chart, you'll see we're at this key area coming across, and this is the 20-month moving average acting as resistance right now here on the monthly. We went up nicely. The question is the next couple days, Thursday and Friday, will we crash back down, getting a close below the trend line? That will put us below 2,000 on the S&P 5,000, or S&P 500. And if we get below that, that means we're going to have huge bloody red candlesticks dropping here in the next 2 days. How likely is that? I'm not going to call it likely. However, if it does do that, that will confirm what I'm seeing on the monthly chart, and that will prove to be very bearish. It'll look bearish on the daily chart, but it will mean the world to the weekly and monthly charts, and that's something that we're watching for. Today's drop happened on very low volume. Last three trading sessions been low volume, so no one's really freaking out on that. But small caps really concerns me. We have the bullish pennant, symmetry and triangle coming across, acting as support. The rising 20-day moving average also acting as support. So we dropped, but we did have a tick higher on volume and a much bigger drop today on small caps. Usually that's indicative of more follow through with the rest of the broad markets. So this is something that we are watching. If I bring in a trend line, it did get broken today. Right there, you can see support, and now support broken. A lot of you guys are like, "Ooh, why did you draw your trend line there? That's craziness." Let me go to a line chart and you'll see it better. Support now is broken, and that's right where we're at this moment. So you learn the more advanced trading in the mentorship. We teach you how to draw these trend lines the correct way and how to utilize them. We do have a mentorship coming up next month and online. Then we have one in Vegas in May. You definitely want to be at that one. What I would do if I were you is a lot of you guys talking about and thinking about the mentorship. Go to Trading Mentor at groktrade.com. Once you go there, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and down at the bottom you'll see videos. But just to get more information on this, but I would take the online one next month and then do a retake in Vegas, and you will definitely get the most bang for your buck, and you will become a rock star trader. There you guys go. We'll catch up with you next time. If you like it,